Are snake birds. The present current status of population not exactly known but apparently declining. Near threatened species as per IUCN criteria. Protected species and listed under Schedule 4 of Wildlife Protection Act. The species is uncommon and declining throughout Asia, although an estimate of 4,500 from South Asia. Resident species throughout India and also occurs in Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand and Malaysia. Migrating status. Birds breed in other parts of AP, Uppalpadu, near Guntur and local parts of Guntur city. The birds also breed in other parts of the country and migrate to different parts, usually singly or in small parties, but in Visakha surprisingly seen in large groups. Inhabits ponds, geels, marshes, mangroves and coastal waters. A black cormorant-like water birds with silvery grey streaks, long head and neck, chocolate brown in color with long tail. Food chiefly fish. Threats due to habitat loss, disturbance at feeding grounds and colonies. Darters roosting in association with glossy ibises and egrets. Unusually seen in large flocks consisting of 25 darters roosting in a single tree near water bodies. Visakhapatnam is an important feeding ground and colonies for darters and glossy ibises. The water body is important for biodiversity conservation point of view. Darter groups consisting of 60 to 70 individuals, males and females together in this habitat. An overflying individuals seen also counted. Darters in flight. Flight is graceful, flies neck pulled in and legs projecting with steady wing beats. Tail long and wedge shaped. Darters utilizes the habitat for the purpose of feeding and roosting. Inhabits within the feeding range of water body. Darters mixes with glossy ibises sharing the same locality along with other water birds. The population size of glossy ibises 130 to 150 individuals. Roosts in colonies occupying Prosopis julifera trees. The water body offers a variety of waterfowl such as pintails, scoots, spotbills, dabchicks, pond herons, egrets, purple moorhens, purple herons, night herons and other waders. The habitat appears to be a good waterbird congregation site and a special site of scientific interest.